Starting with exercise 4.3, question number 3, children. This is class 7. Yesterday current went off, so we were not able to complete this exercise. We are going to do now. So question number 3 says solve the following equations. Here we have to find how to solve this equation. We need to find the value of this variable. Solving any equation means to find the value of the variable. Very simple. We use the transposing method as usual. We transpose this 5 this side. Yes, what is it? It is in multiplication, so it becomes what? Division. So 4 by 5 is equal to 3 minus 2, and here we write transposing 5 to LHS. We are sending it to LHS. Yes. So now, if we cannot cancel anything, now if we transpose this to this side, we will get the value of P. So what to write now? Transposing this 2 to the LHS. Now this 2 is what? Negative. So it will become positive. 4 by 5 plus 2 is equal to P. So what we write here? Transposing 2 to LHS once again. Now we solve this LHS. Okay, this is what? 2. That means if we make it as a fraction, we convert it into a fraction, it becomes 2 upon 1. Now we can see the denominators are not same, so let's make the denominators same. How to make the denominators same? Multiplying this fraction by 5. If we multiply here 5, this becomes 5 and this is already 5. So if we multiply 5 here, हमको यहाँ पे multiply करना पड़ेगा. So let's do it. So 4 upon 5 plus 2 into 5, 1 into 5, which is equal to P. 4 upon 5 plus 10 upon 5 is equal to P. This becomes what? 14 by 5, which is equal to P. Or you can write P is equal to 14 by 5. Okay, simple. So this completes A. Let's start B now. Now children, you can see here, this is having a negative sign, that's it. So the same way we will again transpose 5 to LHS. So what we write here? Transposing 5 to LHS. Then we transpose 2 to LHS, it is negative. The same way, like in A, this also becomes positive. Again we write here transposing 2 to LHS, square bracket. Okay. Now again this 2 is alone, so we make it upon 1. Yes. Now what? Same way you can see here. We multiply 5 on both sides. Yes. Only thing is this is negative. This is negative. Plus minus becomes minus. So we subtract 10 and 4, it becomes 6. 6 upon 5 is the value of P. Okay, 10 minus 4 is 6. Now we will see who is greater. 10 is greater, so 10 का sign आएगा answer में, so answer becomes positive. So the value of P is 6 upon 5. This completes B. Now we start C. transposing 3 to LHS, and 3 ones are 4 are. 4 is equal to P plus 2. Now what to do? We transpose this 2 to the LHS. If it is positive, it will become negative. 4 minus 2 is equal to P. We write here, transposing 2 to LHS. Now, 4 minus 2 is 2. So the value of P is equal to 2. Okay, this completes C. Now we start D. Now children, we have to remove now everything from the LHS. You can see because the variable now here it is in left hand side. यहाँ तक अभी तक it was in right hand side, so we were removing everything in the LHS. We were shifting it, so we were transposing it. Now we are going to transpose this 4 to the RHS. Its sign will change. It is positive. It becomes negative. So and we write here transposing 4 to RHS. This time it is RHS. This becomes 30. Now transposing 5 to RHS. Okay. We will transpose 5 to RHS. Its sign will change. It is what? Multiplication. It becomes division. So we write here transposing 5 to RHS. Okay. Now 5 ones are 6 are. So P minus 1 is equal to 6. Now transposing this one to the RHS again. Okay. So it is minus 1. It becomes plus 1. So we write here transposing 1 to R. Okay, so the value of P comes out to be 6 plus 1, that is 7. So P is equal to 7. Now we start with E. Yes, this completes D. Now we start with here. This is E. You can see. Now we start with E. Now you can see again the variable is in the RHS, so we are going to shift all the constants to the LHS. So first and foremost, we are going to shift the 16. So 16 is plus, it becomes minus. Minus 16 is equal to 4 m minus 6, and we write here transposing 16 to LHS. Okay. Now this 4 will shift here, will be transposed. So it is what? It is in multiplication. It will become division. So we write here what? Transposing 4 to RHS. Now 4 and 16 can get cancelled. 4 ones are 4, 4 fours are 16. So minus 4 is equal to m minus 6. Now the 6 will be transposed to the LHS. 6 will be transposed to the LHS. Yes, it is negative, it will become positive. So minus 4 plus 6 is equal to m. So we will write here transposing 6 to LHS. which will give us 5x plus is equal to 10. Okay, now let's add something. Let's add 4 on both sides. Okay, so adding 4 on both sides. So 5x plus 4 and 10 plus 4 will become 14. So this is the first equation which we have constructed. Let's start with the second equation. X is equal to 2. Now what to do? Let's divide by 2 now. Okay, let's divide by 2 on both sides. So dividing by 2 on both sides. So it will be x upon 2, 2 upon 2, which comes out to be 1. Okay, now let's subtract 3 on both sides. हम अपनी मर्जी से कुछ भी कर सकते हैं. Got it? So there can be many equations, not 3 but many. So subtracting 3 on both sides. So x minus 2, x upon 2, sorry, minus 3 is equal to 1 minus 3. So x upon 2 minus 3 is equal to 3 minus 1 is 2. Who is greater, 1 or 3? 3 is greater, it has negative sign. So difference will also have a negative sign. So this is the equation. Now if you put the value of 2 here, LHS should be equal to RHS, or if you try to solve this equation, the value of x should come out to be 2. Okay. So this will become plus. Yes, it will come. This will be 1, 1 2s are 2. So this completes the first part and second part. Let's do the third part now. X is equal to 2 once again, the third equation. X is equal to 2. Again, let's multiply by 10 this time. Multiply by 10 both sides, so it becomes 10x is equal to 20. Now let's add 3 both sides. Okay, adding 3 on both sides. So adding 3 on both sides, 10x plus 3, which is equal to 20 plus 3, which gives us 10x plus 3 is equal to 23. So this is how we complete the A part for x is equal to 2. The B part for x is equal to minus 2. You will do it on your own. It will be your homework. Okay, you can use any number to add, any number to subtract, any number to divide, any number to multiply. Okay, so first either multiply, then add, or divide, then add, or multiply then subtract, or divide and then subtract. Okay, so this completes your exercise. Exercise 4.3. Now a new topic is there. Like for example, let's take an example for this, children. We all love mangoes. 20 mangoes, but whatever A is eating, उसका दुगना, दो गुना, मतलब अगर ये 1 खा रहा है तो ये 2 खा रहा है, ये 3 खा रहा है तो ये 2 3 6 खा रहा है. This one is eating twice of A. Okay, but we don't know how much is A eating. So let's assume that A is eating X mangoes. Okay, now then B is eating how much? Let this be 30. B is eating 2x mangoes. Okay, so what should be the equation? X and 2x is equal to 30 mangoes. Got it? From here you can get how many mangoes X is eating and how many A is eating and how many mangoes B is eating. Okay, so this is an example. Yes or no? This is an example. If these two are real people, then it's a real life example. Okay, so this is known as applications of simple equations in practical situation. Practically the person has eaten, practically the another person has eaten the double of the first person. Clear? So this completes a new topic, that is application of equations using a practical situation. Okay, now there are certain trivias. Let's discuss them faster in the book itself. Trivias of page 90. Book only children, huh? छोटा छोटा करके लिख लेना. Yes, it is just discussion. If you want to write, you write. Don't want to write, just listen to it. When you multiply a number by 6, when you multiply a number, we don't know the number, by 6 and subtract 5 from the product, then you get 7. Can you tell what the number is? If you take it in the form of equation, yes, you can. You will solve the equation. So let this number be x. Then x into 6 becomes 6x minus 5 is equal to 7. Let 5 transpose to the RHS. It is minus, it becomes plus. Let 6 get transposed to the RHS. It is in multiplication, it will become division. So the value of x comes out to be 2. Okay, this is the first one. Let's do the second one now. What is that number? 1/3 of which added to 5. 1/3 of any number of which is added to 5 means 1/3 of any number added to 5 will give you 8. So let this be x. Yes. Now let us solve it. 1 into x will give x upon 3 plus 5 is equal to it. Now let 5 get transposed to the RHS. It is positive, it will become negative. 6 is equal to 3. H minus 5, which is again equal to 3. So x upon 3 is equal to 3. And x is equal to 3 into 3. So x is equal to what? This is a 9. This 3 got again transposed. It is in division. It becomes multiplication. That's how 8 minus 5 gave us 3 and 3 into 3 gave us 9. So this is the first trivial. Then there is one more trivial in page 90 only. The second trivial is in page 90. Okay. There are two types of boxes containing mangoes. I think mangoes has come back. So there are two types of boxes. Okay. Containing mangoes. Each box of the larger type. मतलब एक larger है और एक smaller होगा. Okay. There are different boxes. Two types of boxes are there. One type is larger and the other type is larger and the other type is smaller maybe. Now each box of the larger type contains 4 more mangoes. Contains what? It contains 4 more mangoes means this larger type is containing 4 extra mangoes than the smaller one. Smaller boxes are how many? 8. And these bigger boxes are having 4 more mangoes than the 8 smaller boxes. Okay, up till now the question is saying this. Each larger box contains 100 mangoes. Means each larger box is having how many mangoes? 100 mangoes. Find the number of mangoes contained in the smaller box. तो आपको पता लगाना है कि इसमें कितने mangoes होंगे. So let's presume let the mangoes be n. Why? Because mangoes start from n, so let them be n only. Okay, or you can take x also, no problem. So we write let the mangoes be n. Let the mangoes be n. Now smaller boxes are how much? जो दिया हुआ है that we write. Smaller boxes are how much? 8. The number of mangoes in smaller boxes will be number of mangoes in 8 smaller boxes will be how much? 8m. Yes. Now let's go to the condition. Let's go to the condition. According to the condition, what is the condition in this? Each box, whatever this box is, bigger box, is having how many mangoes? 100. Okay, and also it is having 4 mangoes more than whatever mangoes are contained in 8 boxes. Something like this. Yes, got it. Now let's solve this equation. 4 will be transposed this side. So 8m is equal to 100 minus 4. So 8m is equal to 96. M is equal to 96 by 8, which is equal to 12. So each smaller box is having how many mangoes? 12 mangoes. Clear? So this completes the triaries. Let's start with exercise 4.4. Set up the equation and solve them to find out the unknown numbers in the following cases. First one, let's start, children. This is book work, okay? You have to do it in book. वहीं पे छोटा-छोटा करके you can solve if you want. If you don't want, then this video is always present, na? In YouTube, in Google Classroom, so you can see from there. No problem. Exercise 4.4. Set up equation and solve them. So we have to set up an equation and we have to solve the equation. So the first one, let me write the first statement. Add 4 to 8 times a number you get 60. So you get 60 means RHS is 60. Yes. Now add what? 4 plus 4. 8 times a number. 8 times a number means 8 times any number. It can be 8 times a variable which we don't know. A number means any number. So we take it as a variable. Now we solve this equation. This 4 will be transposed that side. Yes. So 8x is equal to 60 minus 4. This becomes what? 56. Now 8 gets transposed. Answer is what? 7. The value of x is equal to 7. Then B. 1/5 of a number minus 4 gives 3. 1/5 of a number minus 4 will give you So 1/5 of a number, 1/5 of any number, we don't know the number, minus 4 will give us 3. So let's take it as x. So 1 into x will give x upon 5 minus 4 is equal to 3. Transpose this 4 that side. So it becomes what? 4 plus 3, 7. Okay. Now we transpose this. 5 this side. Yes. It is a division. It becomes multiplication. So x is equal to 7 into 5. So x is equal to 35. This completes B. Now we start with C, or we start C tomorrow. 30 minutes, more than 30 minutes are over. Okay. So tomorrow we are going to continue this exercise.